Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Nadir. Today we'll talk about making English a habit and how it changes the way you learn English. You'll practice real English sentences today, simple ones. Don't worry about it. But this video isn't just about repeating words, it's about building a habit. Something you do every single day without stress, without pressure, until English starts to feel natural. Take your time. If you need to pause or repeat a sentence twice or three times, that's perfectly fine. That's how habits are built, one small repetition at a time. All right, let's begin today's shadowing practice. Repeat each sentence after me. To speak English well, you need practice. To speak English well, you need practice. You need many hours listening. You need many hours listening. English is a habit. English is a habit. Great job. Let's keep repeating. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. English practice feels easy and simple when I do it often. English practice feels easy and simple when I do it often. I listen to English 1 hour every day. I listen to English 1 hour every day. I did not start with 1 hour. I did not start with 1 hour. I started with just 5 minutes. I started with just 5 minutes. You can start small too. You can start small too. Great! Let's continue. I always listen something in English. I always listen something in English. Even small steps in English feels good. Even small steps in English feels good. Your brain likes small wins. Your brain likes small wins. Awesome! Let's continue. Starting small is easy. Starting small is easy. You don't need much energy. You don't need much energy. I add English to things I already do. I add English to things I already do. I listen to English while I work out. I listen to English while I work out. Repeating English makes it automatic. Repeating English makes it automatic. At first, it takes effort. Later, it becomes easy. At first, it takes effort. Later, it becomes easy. Excellent! Now, English feels natural to me. Now, English feels natural to me. I plan my daily time for English carefully. I plan my daily time for English carefully. English habits make things easier later. English habits make things easier later. Set a smaller English goal than you think you can do. Set a smaller English goal than you think you can do. When you reach a goal, you feel proud. When you reach a goal, you feel proud. I choose an English goal I can reach. I choose an English goal I can reach. Soon I will speak with confidence. Soon I will speak with confidence. Wonderful job today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Tell me in the comments, do you want to make English a habit? See you next time. Bye.